Guys, today this is one more video for option trading. So today I will discuss how many trades we got in the nifty and what all are the entries we would have missed out and what all are the entries we would have been successful. Okay, so before starting I will show you the excel sheet of the day. So yesterday market was FII was negative and this one is negative, our global sentiment, and yesterday it was sideways. So if yesterday is sideways, so more chances there will be trending today, even though expiry it was today, but there was possibilities of trending. So what happened in the day, we'll check it. Okay, and how many entries we got, how many entry we would have won or we would have lost. Okay, we'll check that. So first I would like to tell you, when market opened with a bullish signal, okay, where most of the traders get fails, they think that this is a bullish signal and from here it may go up to this previous day high, but that is not the case, because you don't take the trade of bullish signal where sentiment is negative. Here there are two sentiment is negative first of all in macro perspectives. Then if we'll come to the micro perspective, you can see there is a small supply zone, so from here it can be reversed. So two things, one is from macro perspectives, FII negative and global sentiment also negative. From micro means your price action chart, it is already this zone is a supply zone, so don't take trade here. So where we can take trade here, so when it came and tried, it retested here it made a bearish signal. So simply take a trade here and don't think this CPR. The CPR is actually acts a good support and resistance. But here, if you want, you can take a less profit. Here you can book the profit. But one trick I want to tell: if CPR is very thin like this, most of the time it breaks the CPR and come down to the next level. Since it was a thin CPR and chances of getting a break is more likely to be happened. So what happened? It broke this level and came down up to previous day low. So your first entry would have been here. Short the position. Here you take the trade. Okay. Put the stop loss little far. Don't put, just previous below supply zone little bit far, so your stop loss will be very less. Okay, here you put and your target at least you put up to here. Okay, so also little bit you can use these things. Okay, here you can put stop loss. See the target and your risk you are taking 24.70, and your reward you are getting 64.90. You are able to see this is the first trade. I will write in the excel sheet. Okay, So see here actually the point is 64.90 is your reward. 64.90 is your reward and your risk is only 24.7. 24.7. Okay, just copying the formula. See, if you are risking 24.7 in the nifty future, suppose you are taking nifty future here. Okay, you are taking 24 point risk, and if you are taking option you are taking 12.35. Okay, so what happens if you are taking this risk? Because option trade you have to take the, and this is the market where actually even the option you are decaying, this time value is decaying, still you are getting the profit. Okay, because this movement is very fast, you can able to see. Okay, so this is a trade for you. Okay, and since this is a 50 lots, you are risking 3002, sorry, rewarding 3245, 1235. I am just telling, this is for, you are taking delta for zero point 0.5 to 0.54 delta. Okay, in some cases you can take also one delta things, but I don't think initially you should start with that things, because in that case your position sizing and the risk reward everything will be mismatched. So first you try to in a safe zone. Okay, neither you will be in a very deep in the money, or neither you are in a very out of the money. So you have to balance those things, so then only you will be able to get the profit, and you will not be having that much of risk. Okay, so this is the option trade. Today also so many people they play hero zero things. That is also another strategy. In my very advanced videos I'll share that strategy. That is entirely different. This is for the normal perspective, a normal trader, how they can think the things. Okay, even though in option trade in the expiry day you can do the trade like how you do in other day. Okay, this is one example. Okay, okay, so this is one thing I wanted to share. Second thing, this trade you pass. Okay, this trade actually you are passing. Okay, but there are a trade where actually you failed. Where? I'll tell you. When it made a consolidation here, you can see here. You see this position, it made a consolidation. Okay, and it broke the previous day low, and market is negative, everything is negative. Then why it will not work? As everyone know, trading is all about probability. Same pattern has happened in the previous day, that doesn't mean it will happen today. So it can be failed, and today this is a break. It failed. Why it failed? There could be another reason. Okay, because today is expiry day. Okay, in some expiry day there will be a very good trending, like 200 300 points, but in very most of the cases it will trend, but up to certain limit. Okay, so what happened? Up to 11:15 or 11:30 it was a one side trending. After that it went to a sideway mode. Again, from here to here, this is sideway mode. Okay, here option seller make money, because they make the market as sideway, so that all people who all are the option buyer, they will lose their money because of time leak, and they will get that benefit. This is what market. But we have to think more than how they are thinking. So we got a trade here, we got a good point. Okay, here we are booking, we are putting stop. Every time you should think that there should be a stop loss. Let this stop loss hits. Out of I maybe 4 days I am doing maybe one or two. Out of 8 or 9 there is only one or two, one stop loss, two stop loss, it would have been hit. I'm agreeing, because if I am giving a strategy it is more than 50% correct, that is a good strategy, and I am giving all the strategy which accuracy is more than 60%. Okay, you take 10 trades, you will minimum get success in 6 trades. That is enough, and I am giving with 2:1 rate. That is more important. So let it be. So where you can find another trade. Okay, so it got fail here. Up to here it came, but it got fail again. It hit your stop loss. Okay, it hit your stop loss. Okay, so don't trade today long trade, because market sentiment is entirely negative. Okay, okay, there is another strategy also. When it failed here, okay, it breaks here again, we can take a long trade. But today that strategy it will not work, because today sentiment entirely negative. I will go with negative things. Okay, and unless and otherwise I will see another price actions, I will take a position, bullish positions. I'll tell you where we can take, but very risky trader that things they can take. Okay, so I'll tell you where you got another trade. Okay, first it breaks. Okay, first it breaks, it could not succeed. If it is breaking same pattern with time splitting second time, see, second time it again, second time it breaks yesterday days low. See here, you take a trade 2 is to 1 is to 2, you easily get this one. Up to here you can easily get it. If you are taking trade here, up to here you can take. Okay, so this is two trade, and third trade where you can take, because this is actually one W pattern. From here it came the price here, from here it took the support here and moved like anything. So it's a big movement from here 11:55 to 1 o'clock. There is a movement. So you will find you don't take trade here, because that is not a clear cut breakout. Okay, okay, instead you just look at the price. It came back to here, this candle. Okay, one, here is a pin bar, then it confirms here and it confirms again here, and there is a space from here to here, so you can take a trade here. So 1 2 3, initially 3 4 trade you are getting, but you are winning 3 and losing 1. Entry 4. Okay, so I'll tell you. So you can proper trade, actually this you can take and this you can take. Okay, so if you are taking trade here, this is short position you can take. Okay, here you take a trade, this is very 2 1 is to 2, here you will get, just wait, 1 is to 2. below the previous day low. Here, not that much. Here you can take stop loss. Okay, so you are getting here 47.90 points. 47.90 points, and the risk you are taking here 23.15. So we'll copy here formula. So for reward your 2395 you are taking risk of 1157, and in option for reward of rupees 1197 you are taking the risk of 578 rupees. Okay, this is second entry. So third entry it got fail. Okay, how much you would have lost in that trade? Only 20, around one second. I'll show you also that loss part. So here you are taking the trade here, and you are expecting here, but you are losing. Okay, so position here you take a trade. You're putting stop loss here, and you are targeting stop loss here below the okay, and targeting up to here. So your risk is 29.35. Risk is 29.35. Okay, and your target is 55.60. 55.60. Okay, so this one actually you are losing. These all are you are not losing. I'll make it everything green because that you are not losing. So this alone you are losing. Okay, this is a losing trade in red. How much you are losing? You are losing 1457, but winning 2. You are together. This is a minus. Okay, so I'm putting minus figure. So this and this. Okay, so how much? If you are making this 3 trade, 1 you are losing, 2 you are winning. So even though you are losing, you are still getting 2000 profit. This is how you should work. So one more trade also there, that also I'll show you. I will not calculate, same way also you can calculate. Okay, so this is the way you have to take the trade. Here one trade is there, bullish trade from here to here, minimum 40 points you will get from here. This is how trade should be done. So this is all about today's trade. It was 4 opportunities we got. Maybe we would have missed out one we would have missed out. We would have hit it with one stop loss, but if you would have taken 3 trades, at least 2 trades would have won. This is what the power of technical analysis. And also you have to check the sentiment. If you are not checking the sentiment, this trade you cannot take. This is a big trade actually. First trade is a big trade, this you cannot take. So hope that is a helpful video for you. Please do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.